Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths exercise 2E question number 8. Evaluate. So this is just first part of question number 8 is 7 over 8 multiply with this plus minus 5 over 9 multiply with this. In this question, if you will do it by cutting, means by cancelling the numbers with each other, then you can do it easily. Otherwise, firstly you need to multiply 24 with 7, then 21 with 8, and same with this. Then you will take the LCM. It will be very lengthy question. So we will adopt the method of cancellation, means cutting. See, 21 comes in the table of 7 ना, so we will cancel it. 7 की टेबल में 7 कितने पे आता है 1 पे 7 1 सा 7 and 21 comes at 3, so we will write 3 here. Same for the 8, 8 1 सा 8, 3 1 8 3 सा 24, right beta. Now we can cancel 3 with 3, 3 1 सा 3, 3 1 सा 3, so 1 will multiply with 1, you will get 1. Same with denominator plus. Now try to cancel this bracket. Minus will be cancelled with minus. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. You know what, actually when we are cutting the numbers, cancelling the number with each other, it is must that both the numbers should come in the same table. Like 6 and 9 both should come in the same table. When both were coming in the table of 3, that's why I cancelled the number. If they are not coming in the same table, then we can't cancel them. Now we can't cut the numbers anymore, so we can multiply 2 1s 2, 3 5s are 15. Right, we can take the LCM and it will be 15 plus 2. We will get 17 over 15. Either you can write it like this, or if you want to change it into the mixed fraction, so after dividing like this, एक क्वेश्चन करके बताऊंगी. 15 1s are 15, you will get 2. Whatever you are getting as the remainder, whatever you are getting as a quotient, that will be written first. Remainder will be written as numerator and 15 will be written as denominator. It is a mixed fraction and you will read it one whole, means one एक पूरा है, one whole. Whole कौन सा? WHOLE वाला whole. One whole 2 over 15. We will read it in this way. So that's first part. Second part is, so this is same we will do in this question. We will try to cancel the numbers with each other. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now see, both are coming in the table of 5 now. We can cancel it. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now negative sign is also there now, so it will be minus 5, right? Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 3 2s are 6 plus. Now see, can we cancel it? Yes. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So it is minus 3 now. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3 over 7. It can be written as minus 5 over 6 plus minus minus 3 over 7. Take the LCM of both the numbers. LCM of 6 and 7, that will be 42. Write down 42 as it is. So now divide 42 with 6. When 6 will divide the 42, you will get 7. 7 will multiply with minus 5. Negative sign I have put. Now 7 will divide the 42, you will get 6. 6 will multiply with 3. 7 5s are 35. Minus 6 3s are 18 over 42. Add it. Both the terms from the negative sign, so negative will come here. Over 42 is your required answer. So this is the third part of this question. Again check whether we can cancel it or not. Firstly, both the numbers are coming in the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. 27 will come at 9. 9 3s are 27. Again we can cancel it. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now these two numbers, 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22. This is minus 2 now. 2 2s are 4, so minus 4 over 3 3s are 9. ऐसे हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को नहीं कट कर सकते बेटा. If same numbers are coming together ना, you can't cut them. I have already told you whether you can cut the numbers, cancel the numbers diagonally, or like numerator can be cancelled with the denominator. Numbers who those are in the same side means numerator cannot be cancelled with the numerator or denominator cannot be cancelled with the denominator. Now put the negative sign. Again check. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. Now it's minus 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 over 2 ones are 2. Minus 4 over 9, minus minus is plus 3 over 2. Take the LCM. LCM of 9 and 2 will be 18. Write down 18 here. Video काफ़ी बड़ी हो रही है बेटा. So in this way, by solving the LCM, you will get 19 over 18 as your answer. If you want to change it into the mixed fraction, you will get it like this. You can check it by dividing. 18 ones are 18 plus 1, 19 over 18 will be the answer. This is the last part of this question. Again cancel it. 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Now both the numbers negative, negative, negative is positive, so 5 over 3 minus 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45, 1 over 10. Now take the LCM. 30. You can write the LCM here. Divide 30 with 3, you will get 10. 10 will be multiplied with the 5, you will get 50. 10 will divide the 30, you will get 3. 3 will multiply with 1, you will get 3. So you will get 47 over 30. Wait beta, I think I have made some mistake. Yes, see, this is a negative sign which will come here. So minus minus will be plus, right? And again it will be plus. So instead of 47, it will be 53 over 30. You can change it into the mixed fraction. It will be written like 1 and here will be 23. 3. Yeah, this will be your required answer. So that's all about your question number 8 full. Thank you beta.